make a DIY mask. And because I'm making a DIY mask, I have to tell you guys something. Probably some worlds have them and some don't. So this is how it began. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of people have been dying. So I wanted to help the doctors, the nurses, and the other people in the hospital. So that's why I'm gonna help my mom make a mask, a DIY mask, so the other people at home can learn how to make a mask too. So today, it's a day to make a mask. I would use this pot lid. It's about 25 cm to 28 cm, and this is a circle kilometer. I would use this chalk to make a circle around this cloth, diamond cloth, so I can make the shape of the mask, kinda. So let's start with that. Okay. I probably would have to move, but that's alright. Yep. And just a little bit of air. See? Oh, good. There you go. Oh my god. I accidentally broke a little bit of pieces, but that's alright. I could still make it without it. Boom, boom! Perfect circle! Oh, great! Now, this is glass, so I don't want to break this. So I'm just going to put it aside right here. And I'm going to use these scissors. By the way, if kids are doing this, you need adult supervision. So my mom is here to watch me to make this. So I'm just gonna go put this here and cut it. Okay, my mom helped me a little bit for this cloth. So I'm just gonna do right here. Nope. Circle, like drawing with my circle is not that good, but that's alright. Okay. Now this is a circle. Now, right now, come a little bit closer. Now, right now, I'm just gonna fold it like a taco. Just a little taco. Fold it just like this. It's not gonna be really good because it's a little, like there's some parts that are a little bit more stuff in there. If you guys are scared that you're gonna move it and there's something wrong, so you just need to use these little clippers and clip them on like this. Just a little bit right here. See? Then you're just gonna keep cutting it until there's 2 pieces. So you see? just need to cut these two parts to little pieces. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. And don't worry if you did something wrong, don't worry about it. So if you think you cannot get these materials, don't worry. You can just go to someplace and search for this material. Now this is the finished results. I just cut them into pieces. Okay, and then we have to remove these clippers. If you have some clippers, you can just remove them. If you don't, it's alright. You can just, you have an extra step. You have to. You can just put it like this. Like that. So this is what that, and this is the other side. Now we have these two finished pieces, right? Okay, pieces, right? Okay, now we just need these two clippers, and we're gonna clip them right here to here. You're gonna just clip them, yeah, that. And then just need a ruler. Now we have to put the zero to, let's see, 0 to the 5 cm. So you have to put the 0 right here, and then you use this kind of chalk to put it right here, just like that. But we have to use it 2 times. So this one, and then you'll have to go to here. If it makes your ruler dirty, don't worry about it. You can just wash it later, or you can just use your hands like that. So here to here. Okay, now be careful of this part because you have to use a needle for this part. And the needle and the thread. Now the thread has to be like two threads like clamped together, and then they have to make a knot. So now if you are a child, it's the same thing with the scissors. You have to use parent supervision. That's it. So if you guys suddenly accidentally did something like poke yourself, just use a Band-Aid. That's it. Okay? Now just have to do it like, now put this thread right here. Okay, now we have to use this thread and needle, like this thread and needle, and we have to use till here, but no, we don't have to use this here, because this place, we don't need it. We only need to go right here, and then right here. And then here, right here, and then have to do here. Then right here to here. So probably my mom have to take over if I am like too tired, so she has to help me. So yeah. Now she did the first thread already, so I just need to do like the bottom up the top right here. Like this. And this, wait, hold on. Okay, that's better. Here, okay. Like this. Now, if the string is at the bottom, we have to put it out like right here at the bottom. If the string is up top, we have to put it up top, like that. So, right now I just have to do this one. Oh no. So we just have to put this one, this, and up top here. Okay, now just have to use the bottom. mom's gonna help me because I don't quite know how to do this. This. Here, and then over there. And here and too, we don't have to use that. We just have to pull this and that. This, that. See? It's pretty easy if you know how to do it, but it's pretty hard when you don't quite know. See? And then we have to get here, and then we have to go to here. Probably it's like probably short of it, so you probably have to like take a new thread and start over from scratch, but not to the first you can go. See, all the way to that low corner, right here, all the way here. Yeah, you did it. Look. It's just like a little taco now. Just stick in a knot.
Oh, stop.
So, if you guys think I did something like wrong, and you don't have to brag about it because this is actually my first time making this. So yeah, probably some of the things that my mom had to do for me, like sewing. So yeah, I'm just gonna here to tell you guys how to do it. So right now we just have to take off the clips again. Take off the clips. But if you guys think you have to like do it like this, but that's wrong. That's the way wrong. We have to do it like this one to this. Just like that. Now, this little hole right here will get a little filter in there. So if you guys see a little hole right here, you guys did it wrong. I mean, did it right. But if you guys don't have a hole here, that means you guys did it wrong. So if you have a little hole here, that means you did it right. So we just have to sew right here, so we can wear it kinda like this. Okay, now we just have to use this, and right here we just gonna push it down. And if right here, it's like that. So we just have to like do this and get a little clip. Right. Okay, we just have to clip it right here. And if you guys don't clip it, it won't be like this lovely fixing like this, like flexing, kind of like this. I don't know, like this. Okay. Okay, now, right now, my mom's gonna tell you guys how to sew, and I'm just gonna translate her words into English. Okay, Mom? Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Hello, guys. Okay, now we just have to go right here to right here first, and then we'll do it all over to here. So, see. Boom. By the way, this is not gonna be at home right now. I know that the coronavirus said we cannot go out, but still, it's really close to our house, like our home. So, this is my mom and dad's workshop. So yeah, there's a bunch of toys that I have in here, even a little couch bed. So yeah, this. Ooh, that is clean. This.
Snippity snap.
Okay, now we just have to flip it. Now this little hole right here is the filter hole. So just do it. Yeah. It's a little hard. Yes. See? Right here. Right here. It's okay. Now this little hole right here is the filter hole. So you just have to do it like this. It's like a glove, you say. This right here is the inside. Right here, it's the outside. Now you put the filters over here. Now you see this, but we have to iron it. Come on, let's go! Oh, sorry, I was playing a game. Now, we went to the iron and my mom did a little bit of instruction on this lovely mask. And look, I can put it on great for me. By the way, we saw that this was a little bit small. And what's that called again? The filter. So yeah, we made it bigger, so it's like this now. So yeah. So now, clip it over. This is perfect. Now we just have to need these strings. So, okay, now we have to use these strings. We have to cut 2. I need to cut this in half and become 2 of it. 2. There's 2. Okay, and this is like 25 cm. So we just have to cut them. So right now, both of them has to be like 25. It's for the ears, by the way. Let's see, so I have to cut it in half. This half? This half? Oh, okay. We just have to use this. Just like that. Perfect. Now, use... Just gonna be silent. Now this is a string for your ears. And this is about 25 cm. So just to put this in a knot. Okay, we're done tying it. This one too. See? And now, the second part, we have to use these and we have to sew them to here. Like this. That's about it. We just need to sew them. Like this. Sew them. Like, used a clipper to clip this up. So one clipper here, this other one here. This other one here, using this clipper. Okay. Here are the clippers. And look, you just wear it like a mask already. But number 1, we have to take these clippers out. Quick, you promised me we're gonna eat ice cream. Let's go. Let it go. Come on. Yeah, the sewing one. I'm rushing because she has to do a meeting with someone to help them for her work. So yeah. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. I believe in you. Look at this. Look at this lovely pretty little mask. 3D face. GIY 3D face mask. Get it? Mask. Now the next part. Never mind. Listen. Hello, we're back. By the way, I'm a scientist. I'm not a girl whose name is Victoria, whatever. I'm Science Victoria. So we have to use this filter. We're gonna put it in a filter roll. Now just trying to put it in. Just like that. Yay! It worked. Just like this. Check. Oh no, let me check. There we go. It's all finished! Finally! I just don't want to take out my glasses, but I have to because now my secret identity. Yeah! Oh, hi. Ready.
Isn't it great? It seems like I'm talking to Valhalla. It's great, see? It's like every single place is already covered by this. See? Look at this. Look at this. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that line right here. Look at this. Look at that right there. Right here. See? Great. Absolutely great. I'll do it on anything and do it upside down.